one of the strongest benches that you can build inside your shower. Let me show you how to do it. So the first step to our floating bench is figuring out how high do we want it. I know I'm going to have about 2.5 inches for our mud job. With tile will be about 3 inches off the ground. So now, here, I like to set my benches at least around 15 to 16 inches. In this case, I'm going to go a little bit taller with 16-inch bench. When you think about your toilet is typically about 16.5 inch tall. So that's a good indication of where you want to set it. Now that we have our mark, I'm going to use my level and make sure that I have a nice level line here first. And then just mark off where the brackets are going to go on my studs. This is my first bracket here, and I'm gonna put it right on my mark, but you need to make sure that you're pitching it down. So I'm going to pitch this down about there. So you want, you want your bubble to be in the middle of that line. Then I'm going to trace this off because I'm going to cut out this area right here, just so I can recess this part all the way in. So then when I put my screws in, I want to put my screws right up against this and we'll make it super, super strong. Also, once I do that, I have a stud running right here. I'll be able to hit it with one of those holes and that will make this thing super strong. So our bench is all done. Literally one of the strongest benches that you could build. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out the link down below if you want to get those brackets yourself. Super easy, very, very strong.